Hello students, in this video we will discuss about minor and cofactor of determinants. Minor and cofactor. What is the minor? Here you can see minor of an element Aij. Aij means element of ith row and jth column of a determinant is the determinant obtained by deleting the all element of ith row and jth column. If we left ith row and jth column, all element of ith row and jth column, deleting from that determinant, then remaining determinant is known as minor of that determinant, and this is known as Mij. Now we take an example related to minor. Suppose A equal to determinant of A equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, 1 minus 6, 0, 1, 2. This is a determinant of order 3. Now we can find the minor of each element of this determinant. That means first element is known as element of first row and first column. This is the element of second row and second column. First row and second column. This is the element of first row and third column. This is the element of second row, first column. This is the element of. That means we can find the minor of each element of this determinant. If you want to find the minor of element of first row and first column, that means if you want to find the minor of 2, means minor is denoted by Mij. You can see here Mij, that means M11 equal to, you should be left the all element of first row and all element of first column. That means front of that element for what you find the minor, and below the all element of that number for what you find the minor. That means 2 is the element of first row and first column, so you should be left the all element of first row and all element of first column. That means minor of A11 you will be determinant of 1 minus 6 and 1 2. This is the minor of 1 1, that means 2. If you want to find the minor of element of first row and second column, that means M12 equal to, you should be deleting the all element of first row and all element of second column, and you should be form a new determinant of remaining elements. That means 9 minus 6, 0 and 2. Now if you want to find the determinant of this minor of this element, that means this element is the element of third row and third column. That means M33 equal to, you should be left the all element of third column and third row. That means remaining element will be 2, 3, 9, 1. Now you can understand by this example to the minor. Now second topic related to this cofactor. What is the cofactor? Cofactor of any element, cofactor of an element Aij is denoted by capital Aij. Capital Aij means cofactor of small aij, where small aij means this is the element of ith row and jth column. Ith row and jth column element, the cofactor of this element is denoted by capital Aij and is denoted by Aij equal to minus 1 raised to the power I plus j into minor of that element, means Mij. where Mij is the minor of Aij. Now we will take from this same example, we find the cofactor of first element, that means element of first row and first column, that means A11, where A11 is the cofactor of element of first row and first column. A11 equal to, as you see here, minus 1 raised to the power I plus j, where I means number of row and j means number of column. That means if we want to find the cofactor of element of first row and first column, then we put here 1 plus 1, that means 1 plus 1 into minor of Aij. Minor of Aij is denoted by Mij, that means minor of A11 is M11. Now this will be minus 1 whole to the power 2 into M11, that means minor of Aij will be here, right here, 1 minus 6, 1, 2. Square of minus 1 is positive, and expand this will be 1 into 2, 2 minus 1 into minus 6, and already minus sign here, so this will be changed into the positive. This will be 6 plus 2, 12, 12 into 1, 12. So cofactor of first element, that means element of first row and first column, will be 12. Now you can find each element of this determinant. You can find the cofactor of each element of this determinant. Like you can find the minor of each element of this determinant. In the next video, we will take another topic.